So this is more like my originals, the one I actually wrote recently. And I just wanted to, I don't know, I decided to just like sing it here so I can get out there so that people can tell me how they see the song and if it's good. Do you get? Because it's just something that I wrote out of my, like out of the blue. It just came out and I felt like I should just like voice it out. So this is it. I don't know if it's good shout. You guys will manage me like that. This is how it is. So this was all but a love. 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 I didn't want to meet you, then you came along. Wasn't ready to love, wasn't ready for you. I didn't want to give you all of me, but I still gave you a chance into my life and let you into my heart. You made me fall for you. You once drew me to you. I was so drawn to you. So I gave all I could for you threw them all away. When this love fell real for the first time in a long while, it looked like you were for me. I was open to you, but you stole from me. Why did you let me fall when there was no one? You made me do things that I wasn't meant to. When you knew that they would blow up on me, I guess you made me learn. You made me learn the hard way, 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 made me learn the hard way. Peace out.